very are adverbs. They come in front of adjective to modify or emphasize adjective. Many people understand that too and very have the same meaning, but in fact, too and very don't have the same meaning. The meaning of very means possible to do that, and too is impossible to do that.
For example, oh, this school bag is very heavy, but I can't lift it. Or, this chair is too heavy. I can't lift it.
Now, I think you understand about how to use too and very. So, I have listening tests for you to review and practice the knowledge of too and very again. About the listening test, I have two pictures for you, picture A and picture B. I want you to listen the sentence that I read carefully and then choose the picture that match with the sentence that I read. I will read the sentence 2 times. Let's start. The first is Jimmy is 2 years. He can't drive a car. He is too young. Again. Jimmy is 2 years. He can't drive a car. He is too young. Picture A or picture B? Excellent. Picture A. And the second sentence is Patrick has gained weight. He can't wear his old shirt. It's too small. Again. Patrick has gained weight. He can't wear his own shirt. It's too small. Which one? Picture A or picture B? Excellent. Picture A. She is too busy. She can't take a break. Again. She is too busy. She can't take a break. Which one? Picture A or picture B? Excellent. Picture A. The mountains are very beautiful. Again. The mountains are very beautiful. Which one? Picture A or picture B? Excellent. Picture A. I can't buy a new car. A new car is too expensive. Again. I can't buy a new car. A new car is too expensive. Which one? Picture A or picture B? Good job. Picture B. How about the test? I think you will understand about how to use too and very clearly. I have writing, speaking, and reading tests for you below this video. Don't forget to do for each test. I want you to practice how to use too and very. Bye bye.